Welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. Today we're going to build a miniature IKEA house for our Barbies. You can visit us at our blog at poppyseedmini.blogspot.com to download our free printables. These are the supplies you will need: giant craft sticks, Fabri-Tac or fabric fix glue. This glue seems to glue better and dry faster and hold together much better than other glues. The printables, scissors, a utility knife or a box cutter. I also bought a bird feeder kit from the Dollar Tree. I'm using the large piece in the kit for the back. You can also use craft wood or tag board or recycled cereal box. Cut out your pattern pieces. Take your giant craft sticks and cut to size. You can see in the printable that there are 4 pieces that need to be cut at an angle on one end. You can do this by using a utility knife and sandpaper. This will make the house fit together better. Use the back panel to glue your side panels on. Make sure that the angle cut is at the top and with the slant of the roof. Glue in the lower floor. Then glue the roof on. Next, you are going to add the second floor. Make sure you can slide your second floor in before you try gluing it in. You may need to trim it or sand it. Then take your downstairs wall and a scrap piece and place it on each side of the inner wall. This will help you get the second floor even. Glue and let dry. Now take out the 2 spacers. Take the one for the wall and glue it in place. Take your last wall piece and glue it in, making sure it's straight. On the IKEA house in the store, it has a chimney on. I chose not to put it in. You can also make it with jumbo craft sticks and use it for a shelf.
You could use the open shelf to display your mini brand toys. Or get creative with the dollhouse by adding details like miniature furniture and wallpaper. I sure hope you enjoyed this episode of Poppy Seed Mini. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And have fun crafting!